last question, last na lang. Hakbang ng maisog sa mga nangyayaring ito, hindi ba, it won't stop from doing hakbang maisog to really, air your
yes, of
sentiments.
course. Kasi we will insist our constitutional right to express ourselves. It's freedom of speech lang naman. Yun lang naman talaga ang hinihingi natin. Kasi kung hindi mabigay yan, it's a simple right actually. Magsabi ka lang na kung ano yung how you feel about sa mga nangyayari ngayon. And I do believe that there is nothing wrong with that. Wala namang mali diyan. Hindi mo naman pwede pagsabihan yung isang individual, you tell somebody to shut up. Because that is very undemocratic pag ginawa mo yan.
Sir, do you expect that this is Leyte and Tacloban is this kind of treatment? Participating in it?
I believe so. Kasi our sentiments are inclined towards kung ano yung sitwasyon ng country ngayon, and there are the ones who are in the administration. So yes, probably kung may mga movements or actions that made it hard for us to come here or get here, probably, like I do not want to jump to conclusions.
Sinabi ng Presidente Duterte during his post na he's even willing to sacrifice his own life. I-continue lang ito, sir. Do you agree with that?
Well, that's his choice. Ako, hindi siguro muna kasi 36 years old pa ako. Siya yun eh. But, like I said, during the Leaders Forum back in Davao, back in January, when nagsalita na ako, if you go back to that forum and listen to my speech, sinabi ko naman, handa na ako, I'm ready to die. Kasi, this is a press conference. It would be better for me to express, how I really feel kung sana may entablado where everybody is there. But if it's for the country, then why not? Then, I will be absently raising proud children. Kung ingon na naman, kung hilaptan ko nila. So, we'll see. Pero, this is something na hindi ko kaya na hayaan lang. It's just really simple. You just have to let us, talk. Like everybody else did before this administration. It has always been a practice in the Philippines. Na kung may sentiments tayo, nagsasalita naman yung mga tao. So, ngayon, bakit hindi? It really is very frustrating and oppressive. I will reiterate that it's a very oppressive demonstration by this administration.
The last time, sir, you called for the President to step down. Do we expect sana na you also say the same thing here in Tacloban?
I want to clarify this. Ang ingon ako, I will say it in Bisaya, kung wala kay gugma, wala kay kaluoy sa mga tao, naog na lang. I never asked him to actually really do that. I said kung